Hello everyone, today we will discuss about 50 most important one-liner environmental current affairs 2026. Today we will start from the wildlife and biodiversity conservation. Three great Indian bustard chicks were released into rewilding tunnel at the Gondwan Conservation Center in Ramdevra, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Next is India's indigenous Malvi white camel has been classified as endangered breed following a rapid population decline. Next is the Saudi Arabia officially joined the International Big Cat Alliance IBCA as its 26th members country. Next is the New Delhi hosted the inaugural International Big Cat Alliance Summit on 1st to 2nd June 2026. Next is the rare forest owlet missing from the records for over a century was spotted inside Kuno National Park. Next is a cheetah named Gamini gave birth to three new cubs at Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Next, India's first satellite tagged Ganges soft-shell turtle was successfully released in Kaziranga National Park. A rare Asian grass lizard species named Tachydromus elapensis was discovered in Assam's Manas Biosphere Reserve. A new evergreen tree species named Ampia nirana was discovered and recorded in the forest of Kerala. Next is Arunachal Pradesh witnessed the recovery of the dragonfly Gymnocatha cassia after the nearly 110 years. The Indian Army signed a landmark MOU with the Ladakh Forest Department to protect local snow leopard. Next is Jharkhand announced the creation of the country's first dedicated human-elephant conflict research center. Next is the Chhattisgarh Udanti Sitandi Tiger Reserve initiated the specialized Humble restaurant to aid the local birds conservation. Next is the Kerala officially declared the Bacillus subtilis as official state microorganism. Chandigarh officially declared the spirit tiger butterfly as its official state butterfly. Jharkhand Palamu Tiger Reserve rolled out the community-based Wanji Didi Ecological Initiative. A rare mushroom species called the Hexinum indicum was newly discovered in Uttarakhand. Next is a rare owlfly species named the Protidus elbocapitus was discovered in Kerala. Next is a State of India Environment 2026 report warned the 7 out of 9 planetary boundaries have been breached with ocean acidification newly added. Next is the Delhi notified its updated EV policy 2026 setting has ban on new petrol and diesel two-wheelers starting April 2028. Delhi Metro launched India's first hydrogen-powered public shuttle bus service in New Delhi. AM Green Wagon developing India's first, the world largest green ammonia complex in Kakinda, Andhra Pradesh. India officially cemented in its position as the world's third largest biofuel production country. Next is the Delhi Central Ridge area was officially declared a reserve forest under the Indian Forest Act 1927. Baina in Maharashtra was officially recognized as the India's net zero carbon panchayat. Pune established the India's first designed low emission urban zone. Madhya Pradesh installed an innovative official algae tree in Bhopal to absorb the carbon dioxide from the urban air. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport achieved a top tier platinum class 0 waste to landfill rating. Kaziranga National Park launched a special community run eco shop to empower local women self-help group. Next is the Indian student won Global Earth Prize 2026 for designing a breakthrough microplastic removal system for water bodies. Next is the scientist drilling Allen Hills, Antarctica, recovered Earth's oldest continuous trapped record of atmospheric air. Next is the massive cumulonimbus fire cloud formed over severe seasonal wildfire near Somos in southwest France. Next is the ninth India International Water Week 2026 focused heavily on the modern water security and the conservation framework. The Ministry of Jal Shakti launched the Mahawater program alongside the Anusandhan National Research Foundation. Next is the Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board ranked among the global top 5 water utility at the Global Water Summit in Madrid. NASA climate data model projected that the heavily stressed Euphrates river could face severe drying in by the 2040. Bangladesh approved the Mega Padma Meghna Jamuna River project rejuvenation to collapse freshwater system. Next is the Central Water Commission report. The Krishna River basin focused on the most severe summer depletion. Next is the India and Netherlands signed the bilateral acceleration agreement for the Gujarat Kalpsar freshwater project. Next is the New York hosted the vital 21st century season of the United Nations Forum on Forest. Next is the World Environment Day 2026 was globally celebrated on the 5th June with an emphasis on land restoration. Next is the World Migratory Bird Day 2026 was officially observed worldwide on May 9. International Day for the Biological Diversity was observed globally on May 2026, 22 May 2026. World Wildlife Day 2026 focused on the digital innovations in wildlife protection. World Pangolin Day 2026 was marked internationally on February 21. The National Highway Authority of India NHAI launched the project to plant green B corridor along the major national highways. Next is the Alphabet Google announced the plan under Project Debug to release the Wolbachia infected mosquito to crab pest population safely. South Korea Wayans company finalized the plan to build the India's first mega greenfield shipyard in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. The West Bengal recorded the highest number of the unique bat species for the fire ever State of India beds assessment. Last question is the Jharkhand launched the rural Jal Parab community campaign to the tackle acute water scarcity affecting the local wildlife. Thank you.